Hello, it's Morgan with Mid-Columbia Libraries. Thank you for joining me for our DIY bath bomb program. For this project, you're just going to need some simple materials and ingredients that are commonly found in your pantry. The supplies that you'll need are a mixing bowl, a jar or liquid measuring cup for our wet ingredients, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a whisk, and a spoon. Ingredients that we'll need for this project are 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid powder. This can be found at stores that sell canning supplies. I got mine at Hobby Lobby, but I know you can also get it at Walmart. 1 cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of a tasteless oil. This includes vegetable, olive, or even coconut oil. 3 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of an essential oil. This is purely for scent, so get whatever scent you like. You can buy essential oils locally at Target, Walmart, or Hobby Lobby. Finally, if you want to add color to your bath bomb, you can use a few drops of food coloring. Today I'm going to be using lemongrass flavor, and it smells so good. For our first step, we will go ahead and add our baking soda. You'll see it's quite clumpy. And our cornstarch. We'll go ahead and mix this really well and get out all of the clumps. Our next step is to combine our wet ingredients. We'll start with 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of an essential oil, and you can add some food coloring if you'd like to. Go ahead and mix it up the best you can. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, a small portion at a time, until it has been added in its entirety. If you end up having to mix with your hands to avoid clumps, that is okay. Once wet ingredients are combined, then it's time to add the citric acid powder, and again, feel free to combine with your hands. The citric acid and baking soda combined with the liquid is what makes the fizzing reaction. This is why we hold off on adding the citric acid until after the liquid ingredients. You can test if you have the right consistency by seeing if the mixture will clump together in your hands. If this isn't happening, feel free to add a teaspoon of water one at a time until it does stick. Don't be alarmed if it fizzes a little when you do this. When you have the right consistency, it is time to put it in molds. I used a measuring cup, but you can also use a muffin tin or a bath bomb mold. Pack the mixture tightly in your mold and then turn the mold over and gently tap on your hand until it comes out. There is some trial and error to this step, so don't be afraid to try again. My mixture made about a dozen bath bombs. Once they're done, let the bombs rest and dry out for 2 days. Then they're ready to use. I have read that they keep for about 6 months. You can package them as gifts for your friends or family, or you can store them in an airtight container for yourself. Keep an eye out for our future DIY videos and enjoy your bath bombs.